Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when speaker icon shows X and you see no audio device is installed on your Dell computer. To fix it, go to device manager and update audio drivers. So make a right click on the start menu and then go to device manager, expand sound, video and game controllers, make a right click on your speaker and then click on update driver. Browse my computers for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your audio driver over here. If you have multiple audio driver, you can select one by one. In my case, I have only one driver. Next. And then restart your PC. Click on yes. Now still not working, go to Dell website. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Dell website. Now over here, select your model number and find audio driver and install it. Now for this, you can enter your service tag number over here and then click on search, or you can click on browse my products, computers. If you have a desktop, go to desktop. If you have a laptop, go to laptop. You can select your system over here and make sure that you select your computer. If you have a like Dell Pro, G series, Inspiron, Latitude, Vostro, XPS, whichever brand you have, whichever series you have, select the right series over here. And then select your model number. Make sure that you select your model number over here. And then once you select your model number, go to drivers and downloads. Select drivers. Select your operating system. Make sure that you select your operating system. Go to categories and then select audio. Find audio driver. Here you can see audio. And for me, it's Realtek audio. So you can check your audio in the device manager. If you see your audio device over here, so for me it's Realtek, so it's Realtek. So now click on download. Now run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Continue. Next over here. Next again. Let the installation complete. So that should help you to get rid of that X icon and you should be able to hear the audio. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.